Well, I'm here about to pick a lettuce for my lunch. I've decided I would really like to have a salad sandwich, and even though it's winter, it's a very mild day today. And so I'm about to grab this guy here and this guy here and remove him carefully. Oh, easier said than done. But I'm getting there. Oh, I've left some leaves behind. That's okay. So there we go. Lovely fresh lettuce for lunch on my sandwich today with a bit of protein and some tomato, and that'll be just super duper for me. See you later. Homegrown lettuce and tomato sandwich. I just don't think it gets any better than this. Just thought I'd show you. See you later.